Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve the questions related to guarantee of profit under partnership fundamentals. Guarantee of profit means when a partner is given the guarantee of minimum profit that he will not receive the less than that amount, then it is known as the guarantee of the profit. A partner may be given the guarantee of minimum profit from the business. The profit may be guaranteed by all the partners in an agreed ratio or one or more of the existing partners. In case of the guarantee of the profit, the deficiency, if any, is borne by the partner who has given the guarantee. Suppose three partners are there, A, B and C is given the minimum guaranteed amount of rupees 5,000. If by chance his share of profit is less than 5,000, then that loss will be borne by the other partners in their respective ratios. When the guaranteed partner's share of the profit is more than the guaranteed amount, his actual share of the profit is given to him instead of the guaranteed amount of profit. When the profit is guaranteed by all the partners, first of all, the profit available is distributed among the partners. Then, the minimum guaranteed amount is determined. The higher of the above amount is given to the guaranteed partners. The deficiency is borne by the remaining partners in their remaining ratio. The journal entries in this regards are done as profit and loss appropriation account debit to all the partners capital account. First of all, the entire profit is distributed among all the partners. Then the minimum guaranteed amount is given to the partner who has been given the guarantee. So it is borne by the guaranteeing partner. So guaranteeing partner's capital account will be debited and guaranteed partner's account will be credited. In case suppose if A, B and C three are the partners and C is given the guarantee, okay, here the journal entry will be made as A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to C because C is the guaranteed partner. Let's see one question here. A, B and C are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:2:1. It is provided that C's share of the profit would not be less than 37,500. The profit of the year ended 31st of March 2020 was rupees 1,57,500. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, we'll have to distribute the entire profit among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. We are given here 1,57,500. That will be distributed in their ratio. A will get 90,000 rupee, B will get 45,000 and C will get rupees 22,500. The minimum guaranteed amount given to C is 37,500 whereas he is getting only 22,500. So minimum guaranteed amount available for C is 37,500. The deficiency of rupees 15,000 will be made by A and B in their respective ratio, that is 2:1. Let's see how the P&L appropriation account will be prepared. First of all, the net profit will be transferred to the credit side 1,57,500. Then the profit will be distributed among A, B and C in their own ratio, which is 90,000, 45,000 and then 22,500. Deficiency of rupees 15,000 will be borne by A and B in their ratio, that is 2:1. 15,000 will be divided in two parts as 2/3 and 1/3. So 10,000 will be borne by A and 5,000 rupees will be borne by B. And this amount will be added in C's capital account. So the actual profit will be 80,000 for A, 40,000 for B and 37,500 for C. Let's see another question here. X, Y and Z are the partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. It is provided that Z's share in the profit would not be less than 20,000. Profit for the year ended 31st of March 2020 was rupees 90,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, the entire profit of rupees 90,000 will be distributed among X, Y and Z in their respective ratio, that is 3:2:1, 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Now given a guarantee of rupees 20,000 but his actual share is rupees 15,000. The minimum guaranteed amount given to Z was rupees 20,000. Thus the deficiency of rupees 5,000 will be made by X and Y in their ratio, that is 3:2. The profit and loss account will be prepared like this. First of all, the net profit will be transferred to the credit side, that is 90,000 rupees. Then these 90,000 will be distributed among X, Y and Z in their respective ratio, that is 3:2:1, 45,000, 30,000 and then 15,000. The minimum guaranteed amount available for Z was rupees 20,000. 5,000 is a deficiency which will be made by X and Y in their ratio, that is 3:2. So 3,000 will be borne by X and 2,000 rupees will be borne by Y, and this amount will be added in the profit share of Z. Let's see another question here. P, Q and R are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. It is provided that R's share in the profit would not be less than 30,000. Profit for the year ended 31st of March 2020 was rupees 1,20,000. Deficiency, if any, will be borne by P and Q equally. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. In this question, we'll have to distribute first of all rupees 1,20,000 in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. Rupees 60,000 for P, rupees 36,000 for Q and rupees 24,000 for R. However, the R's minimum guaranteed amount is rupees 30,000. Thus the deficiency is of rupees 6,000, which will be made equally by P and Q. In this question, the deficiency will not be borne by P and Q in their ratio, as it is given in the question that the deficiency will be borne by P and Q equally. First of all, the net profit rupees 1,20,000 will be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Then 1,20,000 will be distributed among the partners. P rupees 60,000, Q rupees 36,000 and R rupees 24,000. R is given a minimum guarantee of rupees 30,000. So deficiency of rupees 6,000 will be made by P and Q equally, 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 will be deducted from the profit share of P and 3,000 from Q, and then it will be added back to R's share of profit. Here is another question. Jay, Vijay and Ajay are the partners in a firm in the ratio of 7:3:2. Ajay's share of the profit is guaranteed by the other partners that Ajay's share would not be less than 50,000 rupees. Profit for the year ended 31st of March 2020 was rupees 2,40,000. Deficiency, if any, will be borne by P and Q. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, the profit will be distributed among the partners in their respective ratios. For Jai, it is 1,40,000. For Vijay, it is 60,000. And for Ajay, rupees 40,000. However, the minimum guaranteed amount for Ajay is rupees 50,000. Thus, the deficiency of rupees 10,000 will be made by Jai and Vijay in the ratio of 7:3. First of all, the net profit of rupees 2,40,000 will be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Then, this amount will be distributed among the partners in their respective ratios. Ajay's share is rupees 40,000, but the minimum guaranteed amount is rupees 50,000. So the deficiency of rupees 10,000 will be made by Jai and Vijay. 7,000 will be borne by Jai and 3,000 by Vijay. These amounts will be deducted from their profits and that will be added to Ajay's profit. Thank you, students.